In this video, I will show you how to add poll to Instagram story. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on my Instagram. Now to go ahead and add a poll to your Instagram story, the first thing you're going to want to do is create your story. So to do that, come down to your toolbar at the bottom and press the plus button to bring you to the create screen. And then what you want to do is come down to the bottom and press onto story. So once you're on your story screen, what you want to do first is come over to the left-hand side and press onto the two letters, so there's two A's here, to start creating your poll. So once you've done that, you're going to see a sticker icon appear at the top of the screen. All you need to do is give this a press. And in here, you're going to see an option for poll. So you can see mine's just down here. What you want to do is press onto poll. And then what you can do is ask your question, just like so. So I've just put, are you sub to my channel? And then you can enter your answers into the box here. So you can see I've put yes and no. You can also add additional options. You can see there's a box here to add another option. So I could put like maybe, for example. Or you can change the color of the poll by pressing the color wheel at the top of the page. Now once that's done, just press done in the top right hand corner. And it's going to give you a preview of your poll. Now, at this point, you can move this poll anywhere onto your story, and you can go ahead and further customize your poll by adding music, stickers, text, and so on. So once you're happy with everything, just come down and press the arrow in the bottom right hand corner, and then choose to share to your story. So you can see I've got the option selected here. And then all you need to do is press the blue share button at the bottom, go ahead and press onto done, and that's going to go ahead and share this to your story. So if we press onto my story, you can now see the poll is live. So that is how to add poll to Instagram story. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.